Prepare to be dazzled by these 8 apple recipes hand-picked by readers that will flood your senses with the cozy vibes of fall. Though we're still a fortnight away from the official start of autumn, the season's enchanting whispers are already in the air. With Labor Day now a fond memory, the capital city of Washington, D.C. is basking in cooler temperatures. And let's not forget the return of the beloved pumpkin spice. /washingtonpost.com/food/2023-09-12- Starbucks pumpkin spice latte, 20 years, a staple that signals the arrival of sweater weather. I couldn't resist the temptation and grabbed a hefty 4-pound bag of Macintosh apples from the market, eager to embrace the flavors of the season. September marks the zenith of apple season along the East Coast, a delightful period stretching from late August into October, contingent on the specific apple variety. With my recent market haul and the anticipated bounty from our annual You-Pick adventure this weekend, my kitchen will soon overflow with apples. This abundance heralds the beginning of my cherished baking and cooking season, a time when creativity meets culinary delight. But here's where it gets interesting. While apples are synonymous with fall, some argue that they can be enjoyed year-round, challenging the notion of seasonal produce. What do you think? Should we reserve our apple indulgences for the crisp days of autumn? Or is it perfectly fine to savor their sweetness whenever the craving strikes? Share your thoughts in the comments below.